Hi, a word this morning, relationships. Let's talk about it. When you're in a relationship with someone, it is absolutely not up to you to dig and prod and pry to gain information from somebody. You are not ever going to extract information that way, and genuine information. If you really care about somebody, the one that you're in a relationship with, you will leave it up to that individual to come out to you when they feel comfortable to come out to you, and not when you think that they should come out to you. It's about shared moments, shared experiences, connecting on a deeper level, sharing those intimate moments, conversations, laughing, smiling, touching, silence. It's through moments like that when you will really get what you need from somebody. If you open up to somebody, or if you nurture and nourish somebody and you are gentle with them and you treat them like a delicate flower, they will open up and bloom and blossom for you. But if you manhandle them and slap them around and treat them as if their past is not sensitive, they're never going to open up to you and give you what you want them to give you. So all it takes is a little care and softness, and I don't want to say special treatment, but it just takes time and patience in order to receive that which you value and which you really crave the most, which is that innermost part of them. If you are not able to provide that safety for them and that security, you might as well give up the fight, because they ain't never gonna give up no information to you. So that's my word on relationships. And this goes for all types of relationships: friendships, romantic relationships, job relationships, and any type of relationship imaginable. It's about being gentle. It's about showing care and concern and patience and being present and showing understanding and showing that there's no rush, that allowing them to know that there is no rush. I'm here whenever you are ready to express. I am here to receive because I want to understand you. But if you are trying to rush to get something out of somebody and they're not ready to let it go, you'll get it, but you're not going to like the way it comes out. So that's my word for relationships. Be aware and take care. People are gentle, people are delicate. You really never know what they've experienced until you show them that you're there for them and you care for them and you want to understand them. And so you're going to be patient with them. So, yes, be patient. And they will open up and bloom like the flower that you know that they are.